square electronic hookah head. What is the Square e-head? It's the latest product from Square that turns your traditional hookah into an e-liquid vaporizer. Available in black, red, and blue, this device comes with two e-liquid tanks, both with internal heating units, a wall charger, a 25 milliliter bottle of Square nicotine-free e-liquid, and an instruction manual. Using the e-head is easy. First, take it apart by unscrewing the wider top piece and removing the e-liquid tank. Make sure that the base is charged. Simply plug in the device and charge it through a wall socket. While that's charging, unscrew the flavor tank, which holds up to 8 milliliters of e-juice, and fill it with the e-liquid of your choice. Any kind will do. Be sure to fill it around the heating unit. Do not pour the liquid on top of the center spire. Reassemble the unit by setting the filled tank onto the charged base and screw the top of the device back into place. The Square e-head has no on or off button. It simply becomes activated when you inhale or when you adjust the settings. You can increase or decrease the voltage by pressing the plus or minus buttons on the top of the e-head. The digital display on the top indicates your current voltage, as well as how many puffs you've taken, and counts how many seconds you inhale on each draw. The device comes with a universal grommet that should fit almost any hookah. Fill the hookah base with water like you would for any normal session and smoke away. You should clean your device after each use. To clean, simply remove the e-head and take it apart like you did in the beginning. Empty out any remaining liquid from the tank and wipe down the whole e-head. Do not get the center heating unit in the tank wet or it will no longer work correctly. This is easy to pop out so you can avoid getting it wet. The Square electronic hookah head is making it possible for everyone to enjoy the pleasures of hookah without having to smoke traditional tobacco. The future is a wonderful place.